Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you all are having a great month so far in December. Happy holidays. Today, I wanted to give you insights on my perspective with two company stocks that I really think heading into the new year, we will be positioned for success. Now, let's say if you are an existing subscriber to this channel, or let's say if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate you stopping by. And thank you for continually supporting alliseeisW, where we talk about finance, stocks, investing in crypto as well, and self-development. Well, today I wanted to specifically talk about two companies in the medical device, in the biotech sector. I'll give you stock news updates and where I forecast the actual share price heading well into the new year of 2022. Let's get started. First company I wanted to talk about is Skye Bioscience, ticker SKYE. What is so unique about Skye? Well, this is a biotechnology company based out in San Diego, where they are innovating in the space, specifically in ocular disease. In fact, this company is working with University of Mississippi, developing a proprietary technology intended for glaucoma patients with high blood pressure or hypertension in the eye. And when there's high blood pressure in the eye, that causes glaucoma or irreversible damage in the eye. Now, the unique thing about its product that is in development at this time, as well as going through preclinical trials activities, it has demonstrated superior reduction in intraocular pressure. And we know that in this month alone, within the next few days or so, the company is going to announce neuroprotection data. This is an amazing new claim that can potentially break through in the realm of the biotech sector, because there's no drug product out there that has claims of neuroprotection where it could actually protect your eye. So this is going to be significantly huge for Skye Bioscience, because if and when the company is able to demonstrate neuroprotective effects with its SBI 100, which consists of the derived bioengineered THC with the addition of amino acids, this can be a game changer, not just only reducing the blood pressure in the eye, but providing neuroprotective effects from a neurobiology perspective. That's going to be huge. And today I'm happy to announce that there's positive news where now there's Dr. Keith, part of the board of directors, with his multiple years of experience, 25 years experience in toxicology, and with his experience in R&D, specifically at Bausch & Lomb, we know that he can bring so much valuable insights, specifically to the commercially available drugs at this time, because we know that there's latanoprost, Propressa, that's already been commercially approved. And at the time when Dr. Keith worked at Bausch & Lomb, he would have had this type of exposure and experience understanding these toxicology activities and what it takes to get commercial FDA approval and other regulatory bodies approval. So from a share price standpoint, I firmly believe that in 2022, while the company positions itself into phase 1 clinical trials in early Q2, possibly Q1 of next year, this company is going to start trending in the right direction. Although we didn't see the share price go forward, upward in the end of 2021, it's only a matter of time when market makers are no longer able to keep the share price at a low point at this time. And once the milestones start coming out for Skye Bioscience, I have high conviction that it will start taking off from a long-term perspective. With biotech, it takes time, it takes patience, and I firmly believe that at least in the new year to come, we shall see the 26 cents be hit, as well as seeing it go beyond that share price from my key takeaway. So that's my update, and congratulations to Too Deep as well. He's now the Chief Development Officer with his experience, while working at OncoSec and bringing that experience to Skye Bioscience. This is only going to drive the evolution of Skye in where it needs to be. And for those reasons, I firmly believe that the company will start picking up and it will be reflected with its share price. Now, the next company I wanted to shift over is talk to you about a medical device company based out in Roseville, California, specifically in the hearing aid space. That is Innerscope Hearing Technologies, ticker INND, also in the OTC sector, led by CEO Matthew Moore. In fact, this guy, he's been in the audiology space for many years. He lives and breathes this type of understanding of medical device hearing aid technologies. And we've just seen so much adversity with this company in the early years of 2021. And when we compare to see the maturity of the company, to see where it is today compared to where it was previously, I've seen so much growth and positive uplifting news, because in the past there was just so much people talking about how it's not SEC compliant, it isn't mature enough. Well, in fact, we know that it is SEC compliant. It has its financial data reported. It is also FDA compliant, where it is a registered design and development entity paying its fees. So that just tells you that it's playing by the rules. And the great news is that it has acquired one of the largest suppliers that works with Walmart. In fact, given that INND purchased the supplier, it had just recently brought in $250,000 in revenue sales. That's huge news, because now INND is making power moves, grabbing on to the strong players in the supplier market, working with companies like Walmart to distribute its products. Now, its main niche is providing highly innovative solutions, effective technologies at a very low cost, catered to patients that are in need of hearing problems. We know that this type of disease will continually increase over the many years and decades to come, and for those reasons, INND is just planting the seeds for success for the long run. And I foresee that if held long term, while remaining patient in the OTC market, we will have our plays similar to when the company ran previously all the way up to like 9 cents in January, February. We know that time is coming. That cycle for OTC is coming, and market makers will not be able to manipulate the share price that much longer. So through patience, I firmly believe with Matthew Moore's direction for the company, this innovative medical device company will start taking off heading into 2022. And I firmly believe that the 9 cents will be broken, and then it can start bull running even further beyond that if you hold it long term, possibly in the early Q2 timeframe, perhaps possibly in Q1, but I'm positioning it Q2, where we shall start seeing the bull runs, where it'll increase by significant folds. So that's all I have in terms of updates. I hope that this deep dive analysis provided to you for both companies, Skye Bioscience and Innerscope Hearing Technologies, added value to you. And if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe and like the content if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, and we'll get back to more video content. You all have a great day. Goodbye.